one occasion. Last week, swear no matter what, I'll be stretching out the time.